In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on a suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and the keyboard. Following that, select Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, mine is visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!